standing. No! What is the fuck me with a burn stick? Fuck's sake, the cop! That's actually going to lose! I'm mad. They're just standing there like statues. And Boomo! For fuck's sake, blood! For fuck's sake! Standing there like statues. Let him cross the ball in, fam. You let Homer Simpson. You let him do it. You let him do it, fam. You're just standing there like statues. Mannequin challenge, bruv. Jokers, blood. Absolute jokers. Just standing there like statues, bruv, with your hands behind your back, like it's morphin' time, like Power Rangers, blood. Oh, these men are jokers, fam. 1-0 down. 1-0 down, bruv.
And a good minute and a half behind. What a goal. What a header. What a pussy Clark goal. Papsa! Just these Premier League players and their dumb IQ. Rubbish, man. Clear the ball. He's kicking the ball at himself. Vicario, you're freaking crap.
What are you guys doing? What the fuck are you guys fucking... 정신 차려라! 아니 뭐하냐 얘네! 아니 what are they doing? 아니 뭐하냐고 진짜로! 아니 정신 안 차리고 뭐해? Why they're not focusing on? What the fuck are they doing? 뭐하냐고! 아니 정신 못 차려! 진짜로! What the fuck are they doing? For seriously? Fucking seriously?
It's a ball back post. Oh my God,
Oh,
Porro
my
and Johnson
Lord,
again
Pedro.
between the two of them. It's the two of them.
One of
Johnson
them could've
standing there
cleared it.
and Porro standing there.
One of them
two
could have easily cleared it. One of them could have easily cleared it. It was a
It
simple
all
ball
starts
in.
with Sarah not clearing it, but I mean Johnson and Porro there have not covered himself with glory whatsoever. Two of them are just standing there, just so reactionary. But I mean, we've been absolutely shit so far in possession and everything. I mean, biggest problem we highlighted was creativity, and it's been absolutely zero. And you're always going to get caught on the counter when you don't pose a threat going forward. Sar's just got to clear there. You want to attack, yeah, but you're not going to do anything, fam, because we don't ever do anything. Everyone up there, no one. Diane! Oh my God! We're tired still! We're tired still! You motherfucker! Telly! The Paris pop smoke, blood! You pussy! Yes! Come on! Oh my days! The Paris pop smoke! I've been telling them, man!
Don't lie to me, man, them. Yes! Come on! You pussy crap! You fucking pussies! Yes! Come on, tell! I done told you, man! We don't even deserve the team! Come on! You pussy class! Oh! Come on! I cannot believe it! I cannot believe it!
와! 네! 마티스테! 마티스테! 와! 와 마티스테! 마티스테!
시즌과 남은 10분 그냥 홈더벤 위로 올리자 저 태극기보다
Qu'est-ce passe? 마티스테! Merci beaucoup! 와!
The first touch. Oh, good ball. Yes! Matisse! Come on, Matisse!
Fair fucking play.
What time is it? Time will tell. Come on. Come on, Matthias. Paris pop smoke, blood. They don't want a war with. They don't want a war. What was that, blood? Oh, the bear. Yes! Blood! Richarlison!
Who scored? Don't lie. Let's go, pussy house! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Let's go! Let's go to us! Come on! Come on! You know my dad! You know! Can't do it! I knew these guys were little pussy claps! I knew it! Richarlison, that bum! Oh my days! I swear, Dad, I love this game! Come on! Come on! Pussy holes!
Come on, you Spurs! Set perception! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! 잡아! What the frick? Whoa!
Yes, Richie! You fucking beauty! It's the pigeon!
Was it Richie?
Yes! Yes, Richie!
Oh
Prove
my
fucking
lord! I thought
prove,
it was there at
baby!
top of the box.
Oh my god! Come on, we have shithoused it! We have fucking shithoused
Come
it!
on, boys!
Champions of Europe! We know what we are! Please, please, please. Please clear it. Clear. Oh, fucking hell, man. For fuck's sake! Just too easy! Just flapping in the goal, blood! Just flapping like an idiot! Oh, my days, fam! Just threw it away, blood! Just threw it away! Just threw it away, blood! Fucking delete, blood! Just threw it away, blood!
We own Manchester 0161. 0161. Call my yard. You get me? Oh, shit. Oh, no. Ah.
빵그르님 또 말하느라 감사합니다. 고맙습니다. 감사합니다.
내 작은 아이 나이스.
아 씨발 와 씨발.
LOST4RK님 슈퍼챗 2,000원 감사합니다. 땡크유. 왔구나 토가시 봤어. 토가시 피텔도베르 한 골 1 도움 캐리.
Just defend this corner and then hit them on the counter. Richie for the second. No! Oh no! Oh no, you're shocking. That's fucking shocking. Oh my god, all we had to do was defend it. Jesus Christ.
Oh my lord.
Talk about just gifting them a pint. Oh my lord.